I don't know, like your insane hatred for watermelon Jolly Ranchers. Weirdo. They're the best.
I didn't hate them. I actually love them. I just saved them for you because I know they're your favorite.
It's all we know, all we know.
Oh my God!
Morgan.
Falling
Jonah.
slow in the pouring rain. It's all we know.
I've wanted you since the day I met you.
All we know.
My biggest regret is not telling you how I felt before Chris swooped in. I'm worried we got it wrong.
Got it wrong. It should have been us.
Watch it go, watch it go. We stay the same.
You must be thinking of someone else.
Trust me, I was never thinking of anyone else.
I don't know.
I love you.
Watch it go, watch it go. We stay the same.
Leaving was the hardest thing I have ever done. Okay, I left because I loved you. I still love you.
How it can change. I don't know how it can change. It's all we know, the hurricane.